Hello and welcome to this short little video. I'm had some problems with the new site and the login, so what this video will do, I would suggest saving it for future reference in case you have problems going forward. But here is the new website, and of course, as you see in the middle, if you grab the slider bar, you can scroll down the futures on there, and you'll see a neat little feature I've got once you log in the back end, so you don't have to be going from the front to the back all the time. But anyways, this is basically the free content on the website. Most of these buttons are free content as well. Now what you're going to have to do to log in is go up to this little button right here and click login, and with that you will be able to go into the client login section. Now most of you, or all of you, sorry, have had the username already assigned to you that I gave you back before on the previous website. So if your name was Joe Farmer, chances are I just used the first three initials or first three letters of each of your names. So you know, your username would be JOEFAR. Some of you have changed it, so it's the username is exactly the same as the last website was. So I guess I just want to point out that that's you know, that hasn't changed. So just for demonstration process, I'll just show you what you have to go through. So I've got a dummy account set up, and it's just my username is Kent. Now what you're going to have to do is leave the password open. Your old password will no longer work, and that's why we have to go through this. Is I don't want to know your new password, and the website will not keep track of your new password. So I strongly suggest once you have a username and password, write it down somewhere for yourself, because I can only get you what your username is, and that's it. So after you enter username, go down, click on forget your password, as I have already have all my clients loaded on the website for your usernames. Type in your email address. This, I believe I have it current and up to date. So this step can create problems if you've changed your email address, and I never changed it on my website. But I believe everybody is up to date. So for demonstration purposes, I'll just type in my email address, and then you'll want to go down to, as you see, once you have the your email address in there, just click submit. Now the site automatically goes to reset password, username, verification code, and where the verification code is going to come from is it's going to come from your email. So I'm going to open up my email, but if you have email just off your server, you will get an email that says, from me, Farm Business Consulting, password reset. Double click on that email. Now there is no workaround other than having this long verification code. So as you see back on the website, you need your username, which will be Kent, if you remember. That's what my username was. Verification code, you have to enter this long code right here that says starts with usually a number and ends with a letter. So easiest way to do it is highlight it, click and drag with your mouse, highlight it however you want, right click with your mouse, and you'll see copy comes up. Most email places, whether it's Outlook or Gmail or Hotmail, most of them will let you copy and paste. So just copy it, go back to the website, click in the verification code so that this little cursor is blinking right here, right click and click paste, and then click submit. Now you see that it went through. If it doesn't go through, it'll give you an error, but if there's no yellow boxes, that's a good sign because that's where the errors are. Now it asks you to set your password and confirm new password. So basically put whatever you want in there. I won't know it. The website won't know it. Nobody keeps track of it. It's what happens from this portion right here is if you just typed in Bob for a password, if your name is Bob Farmer, and you put in Bob, what it does in the website is it creates Bob into about a 20-letter encrypted password. So you might type in Bob, but that's not how it's stored on the website. So anyways, I don't want to bore you with technical terms. Just type a new password in there. You can type your old password if you just remembered it as well. It won't affect anything. And you see I just went from password. You have to type it in exactly the same. Remember, capital letters do matter, so I would suggest just keeping it all in small letters, just for safety, not for safety, for easy remembering. Click submit, and reset password successful. So I know this is a lot of steps, but this is what you want to see. So now you should know your username. The username, like I said, I'm Kent. The last password I just put in is what you want to put in here now, your password. Click log in. And there you are. You are now in the back end. So this is only this is all you need to look at everything. Now we're still working on the back end, so some of this stuff is going to change. This is pretty much how it will look like going forward, though. Some interesting things is, this will get all cleaned up right here, and it'll get basically, sorry about that. This stuff will be definitely cleaned up so that it's about the same size as a video. All weekly reports that I always updated will be on this right side, but I'll be sending out emails on how to navigate this back end. There's some news in here. Weekly reports will be here, and then old videos are under the video section. So the neat little thing is there's a ticker tape. If you click on it, it slows it down. So you'll see you don't always have to be going back to the home page. But once you're logged in, if you do want to go back, just click the logo up here, or click client login again. If you click the logo, it'll take you right back to the home page. And there you see the home page again. If you click client login, you are logged in already. You remember I put my username Kent. You don't have to log out, just click client's home. So this gets you right back into the back end of the page. So again, two big buttons here, home and client's home. This is the front page with all the futures, and this is the back end with just clients back home. So hopefully this video helps. Like I said, once I get this back end more user-friendly, I feel it can be, we're working on it right now. Hopefully by Friday it happens. Then I'll send out a video on just how to navigate it and what I have planned going forward. So that should get you logged in. Like I said before, give me a call once we get it. I'm going to show you and that was Google Chrome, so I'm going to show you an Internet Explorer. We've got, just type in the website address. That's the short one. Here you see basically everything that was on Google Chrome is now on the Internet Explorer. It's just it can look a little bit different. It shouldn't look too different though. Click client login. Again, you'll want to enter username and then the password you saved, and click login. It's just thinking. And there you go, you're logged in now on Internet Explorer. So one thing I do want to get to is just if you are having problems and need to create a new login, that's pretty straightforward as well. I'll just show you quickly. If you don't remember your username or your password, it might be just easier. It just takes longer because you have to verify it and I have to agree to let you in. So click on Create One Now, enter whatever you want. Most likely your name is what you want under your name. Under username, you could go Joe Farmer. Of course, if there's already a username taken like that, you can't use it, but this is, I will know your username, but I won't know your password. So you just enter your password. And then, of course, you need an email address to verify it. Now, I'm not sure if this will let me because it's the same email address it's already registered. So there you see, I put in a simple password for time's sake, but the error came up. Password does not contain enough digits. At least 2 digits are required. So obviously you just can't put in Kent. You would need Kent 86 or Kent 73 or whatever. You need at least 2 digits. So make sure you add 2 digits either to the front or the back of it, on either side, wherever you want. Again, you'll just keep getting errors and it'll just read the error. So like I said, warning, the email address is already in use or invalid. So please use another email address. But what will happen is it'll come to your email and you will have to verify that that is your email address by clicking a link, and then I will have to let you in the back end by accepting you. So that's kind of a workaround. I would like to just get everybody with their old usernames to be able to, if you put in your username in here, we should be able to figure it out from there. So give me a call. At least if you're in this part and you call me, I can pretty much walk you through the steps. So thanks for tuning into the video, and like I said, it's kind of an exciting time as I'm pretty sure you'll like what I'm going to be doing with the new website. So again, give me a call if you have questions.